Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just getting started. Seeing what's on the scanner. Good morning. Good luck on your trades today. Good morning, Val.
Good morning, Eddie. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. No
Good.
trades, no trades yet.
Yeah, I'm just getting started.
Yeah, I was here at the screens early, but I was trying to get in on FGI, and I have it set to turn off once a zone has been invalidated. Um, to remove the zone, sorry, or I've got it set to not show invalidated zones, so I can't quite remember what price it was now, but I had an order set somewhere for a long, and then I thought, no, it seems to be coming down a bit too aggressively for that. So fortunately, I closed it, changed my mind on the order because it did get there and blast right through. Oh, there it is, because I marked it on the chart at 1940. Um, but I'm not quite sure why. And I know I saw it and thought, I'm not sure it's going to bounce there, but I don't know why I thought that, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm thinking, why could it not have bounced there and then carried on its way up? I mean, I know it hasn't really got any great reason to be up because it's not got any news and all that, but that aside, um,
But I thought the red zones are uh, supply zones where.
oh no,
Uh,
no, this was when it was still green.
oh, okay.
Yeah, so that red zone wasn't there at the time. Yeah, so
Oh, gotcha.
for sure, yeah, for sure. If it was, I'd have been that would have answered the question. Um,
Gotcha. Okay. I see what you're talking about now.
I mean, I suppose I must have seen that happening, even though it hadn't drawn the zone. But if you asked me to draw that zone without the indicator, I don't think I would have got it right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, God damn it! I nearly set an order at that 3 minute liquidity gap as well, but I didn't. Hmm. Well, my practice account has got a whole $7 of risk left. And
Good thing it's a
my,
practice account.
yeah, and my funded has got a whole, not very much. Let me have a look. $41 before it's dead.
Still enough to recover.
Mark, with $41 of risk left, I'm not so sure.
Oh wait, it's a 5K, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I mean, if I risk, well, I don't know, $10 a trade, but my win rate is so low that, if my win rate was really high, I'd be thinking, yeah, okay, well, I'll just risk $10 a trade, have loads of wins until it's back up to, you know,
Right.
got $100 of risk left. But the chances are quite highly stacked against me for getting anywhere with just $40 left. Oh, excuse me a sec. I've just got a message I need to reply to.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Hey, good morning, Borax.
Hello, am I
Good morning.
audible? Hello, hello,
Hello. Good morning.
am I audible?
Say that again.
Am I audible?
I didn't understand you. Your mic
I'm
sounds
sorry, Bor.
muffled.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Borax. I didn't quite understand what you said either. You're a little bit muffled. Yeah, you're audible, but can't quite make out what you're saying, unfortunately.
Hello,
Hello? Yep, I can hear that.
hello, hi. How's your trading going on, by the way?
My trading, I've not taken any trades yet today, but in general, it's not going very well. How about you?
I'm just back. I take a break, so
Oh, you're taking a break, did you say?
yeah, I took a break, but now I'm back.
Oh, I see. So you're back now. Have you got an
Yeah,
account? Have you? Do you have an account with TTP?
no, I'm planning to buy. I'm gonna demo trade. Then on my win rate, I'm planning to buy it.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Good idea.
Let's see. I'm seeing on Nvidia stock.
On NVIDIA.
Yeah, I mean like I'm focusing on Nvidia stock.
So you're primarily large caps.
I mean, yeah, I took scalp trades, so
Oh, okay.
only matter is like price action only matter for me. You guys trading on TTP account?
I'm not. I'm paper trading right now.
Okay, you ballerina.
Yeah, I have a TTP account. Um, I'm hoping to start a new one, a new evaluation this week, hopefully.
Okay,
Um, I have a 5K funded account, but I've not been doing very well in that. So I hope to keep it going a little bit longer. Um, but I'm going to try a 25K eval this week.
nice. I mean, like TTP. One thing is very good about TTP is that you can take 5K accounts and then direct you can take after that 25K account. No need to buy like 10K or something. Pricing is very good according to plan, I think.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch all of that. Couldn't quite make out what you said.
I'm saying like TTP has very good pricing in their evaluation plans. They are very good.
Oh, you think the account sizes are good?
Pricing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
pricing.
Oh, prices, prices. Yeah, yeah.
TURB popped up on the scanner, and I don't think it knows what it wants to do.
Oh, let's have a look. TURB. Oh, look at that. TURB. Okay, that's interesting. What's the news? Oh, contract. $53 million contracts. This is today. Interesting. Not sure what to make of this one. I feel like I want to short it, but I've missed it now.
I don't think it knows what it wants to do.
Well, you see, Eddie, if you'd gone in at 751, you'd be good.
True. True.
You know, just get in at the top for a short.
It's the best strategy.
Or get in at the bottom for a long. I mean, I keep telling you this, Eddie. It's just so.
Just so easy.
If only it is easy, and if you put the octopus on, even easier. Okay, well, I'm glad I didn't short it.
It finally decided what it wants to do.
Hmm. So, interesting. Do we know the float? It says 1 million. Don't see much of interest on the monthly. Apart from maybe the 52-week high. Possibly. Let's have a look on the weekly. Oh, there's a big liquidity gap there on the weekly as well. At the same level. Oh, you turn on my magnet. Yeah, 52-week high is just inside that. And there's a wick on the weekly and the monthly there. So I wonder if that's a level of interest. Oh, look at this. Oh, hang on, is this... Now look at the 24-hour, it only goes back to... Oh, no, that's further away than I thought. Didn't realise there was that many candles there. That's interesting. The high of 790. Unless I'm missing some data. Looks like the all-time high. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. I'm not sure what to make of this. What do you think, Eddie?
Yeah, I don't know. Still think it doesn't know what it wants to do. You said the all-time high was 790, so it touched 8. So it set a new all-time high. But I feel like it just doesn't know which direction it wants to go. I don't see any zones or liquidity gaps just on the 3-minute.
Okay, good morning, Dr. Mike. We have a zone on the 1 minute now, Eddie.
Oh yeah, now I see zones. Think I will put an order at 596 to go long.
Mm-hmm.
See what happens. Why am I not getting filled?
Is it not working?
No.
Well, the spread's pretty well. It keeps going from wide to tight.
Okay, I'm in now.
Can't figure this one out. Where's your target, Eddie? Where did you get in?
And in at 586.
Where's
And
your target?
my target is
624.
I'm looking for 750.
Okay.
My hope, anyways.
Yeah.
Now I have a 3-minute zone at 697.
Oh, do we? Oh, yeah. Although I might be inclined to look at 664 for that. Is Joe deafened? Joe! Pare returns.
No, just for a while. I will go
Good
soon
day.
to my desk. Good day.
You'll go what? Sorry, Pare. Soon to your desk.
Yeah, trading desk. I'm now on my laptop watching.
You
What?
normally on your trading desk, aren't you, when you're in here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You guys been busy with the payout struggle thing.
Oh goodness, Pare. Yeah. Honestly,
Yeah,
it it's not it's not working as well as it should. Let's just put it that way.
yeah, yeah. I understand.
Yeah.
And I think it's so much emotion with the guys who don't get the pay out, so they're quite angry. So
Yeah.
they write what they think.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Um. It's difficult, and looking at some of the emails between the traders and the customer service, it's really not
Yeah,
clear. Yeah.
yeah, but that most of the problem comes from the dark side.
From the dark side.
But that is so. If
Well,
you think
no, these are,
all of these 8%, 5% halt things and this, we don't have this in the sunny side. So.
yeah, but these are issues about whether your rolled over profit is available to withdraw or not. Not
Yeah,
about,
yeah,
yeah, the 8% and the 5%. But no, you don't have those issues over on the sunny side, do you? The
no,
8%
no,
rule,
but
no.
5% could be if I'm taking a buy setup. So if I put my stop order at some point, so I don't know what the 1 minute limit volume would be at that point because I'm
On large cap,
taking,
well,
yeah,
somebody asked the question the other day. It was a little bit unrelated, but they were saying they couldn't get. They've got this partnership with trader. Oh goodness, where you can automate your trading.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And Spider.
Um, yes, thank you, Eddie. Transpider. And
yeah,
they couldn't get the automation to work with these rules. So anyway, I asked behind the scenes, and Michael said it's highly unlikely that you will break the 5% rule if you're trading large caps. So the answer
yeah,
was to tell the trader to just sort of go ahead and with his trading bot and not really
yeah.
worry
I
about.
trade normally. I don't bother about that, but I have a lot of my names on the large cap. I don't trade these what which are moving and have large volume. I like more of these that is not so crowded things.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
They move much smoothly than these Tesla names
So
and so
where
on.
have you been anyway, Eddie? Why have you dumped us?
I
Do
haven't
you
done
not
them.
do you not love us? Do you not love us anymore?
I, I'm I'm streaming Trader TV and live traders, and then I got the invite to a Finnish channel, and they trade Qs and large cap too. So
Okay.
so I can't stream more at the same point, same time. And you don't have so much large cap now in you're only trading small caps. So
Yeah. Yeah, well, we had Jeffrey. Were you here when Jeffrey was here, Pare? He's a large cap
yeah,
trader. Yeah, yeah, he does large caps.
yeah, but he trades the ETFs on those. So I don't think he goes to the 500 dollar Meta and Spotify and so on.
Oh, okay.
I've seen him trade Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft.
Oh, good, good,
Yeah.
good.
Well, Eddie, I should have definitely gone with that short it at the all-time high.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
got out
How many
for
was that? Oh,
$100
sorry. Yeah.
loss.
Yeah. Sorry, you were in it long, weren't you?
Yeah. But I'm
Sorry.
I'm in long on APV.
Very
Oh.
inappropriate. APVO. Let me have a look. APVO. So is that it, Pare? Are you definitely not coming back over to the dark side? Are you sticking with your large caps?
Yeah, I sticking with that. As you
Yeah.
see on the small caps, how much problem you have. So I don't want that in my life.
What
I
you
just
mean
want to
with
trade.
yeah? You mean
Thinking of 5% rules and everything that you have
mm-hmm.
over there. And if you have these, you can't buy the whole size you want. You have to count how many shares is the max you can take on the small accounts. And the rule changes on the small caps is so often so. When you start to learn something and they change the rule again, so then you have to adapt again. That's not for me.
Yeah.
Much easier just to trade, journal, and do the best you can, and don't have to worry about some third point of view if they change something. So
Yeah, I haven't looked at any of the slower moving large caps like you was just talking about their pare and how that 5% thing will impact those, if at all. Um, I wouldn't have thought so, but it'd
they
be worth.
wouldn't, but if you have only the Nasdaq to count from, they could. I haven't looked so closely my trades if they fill that out. But if you look at ARM by now, so a 2 minute candle, 2 minute candle at this time, last 2 minute candle, so that was only 100 shares on ARM at the pre-market, but it's bigger on the opening session. But
Yeah, so yeah, possibly could be worth you looking at and um in funded accounts it's the 8%, so it won't affect you when you get funded.
yeah,
It's back to, it's back to the 8% rule. For now, they're looking at making the 5% across evals and funded, but for now it's 5% in eval and 8% in funded accounts.
yeah. ARM has about 4,000. Oh, there's one candle at 1 minute that it's only 1,000 shares on ARM.
Yeah,
So,
yes. So maybe do be a little bit of it because the 5% is active now. From a few days ago, I can't remember the day it was
yeah,
made.
but I can't help it if I put my trade in. You say that if this breaks and then I get in. So I don't have time to watch what's the next of the previous candle.
Mm.
So if that happens, that happens. So, but I haven't traded ARM for a while. Just that it could happen on the large cap too. So, and I can thank you for the small caps that they have these rules. I think they wouldn't have these rules if they wouldn't let you trade the small caps.
And now, Pare, we do not want you behind the scenes making suggestions. Thanks.
Yeah, I like my small caps.
Otherwise, we'll be saying, Pare, there's no more round table anymore.
Yeah.
Uh,
and I traded a firm. Okay, yeah, but this is all the not only Nasdaq. So a firm had 7.4 thousand. So how much is the 5% of that?
Yeah, but is that on TTP's platform? Because it is, the rule is only on TTP's volume.
Yeah, I was just counting. Okay, but that's 375 shares, so I wouldn't buy so much on a firm. But it could happen if you are unlucky. So
Yeah,
it
yeah,
could
because
happen.
a firm, if I recall, is a bit of a cheaper price stock, isn't it? Where some traders could buy
It's
more than that.
not $90, but that doesn't count. It's not about the price; it's about the stop loss.
Oh, it's
How many
about,
I
it's
buy?
$90, is it? Oh, I was thinking it was a lot
Yeah,
less. I was thinking it was a lot less
no,
than that. No, what I meant was a lot of traders would be able to buy a lot of it.
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
yeah, but I thought it was a lot less than that anyway. So scrap that comment. I
Yeah.
remember I used
It
to
could
date.
it could happen on the large cap too that
Mhm.
it's voided because of that one. But it's not possible to if you put the trade to wait to feel if that happens, something happens on the chart. So you can't watch the how much the candle is before that because I'm looking at other trades at the moment. If I have put one order in, I wait it to happen. So I'm looking for something else to trade at that point too. Yeah, but that will be to see.
Well, volume's always low on the large caps in the pre-market anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, on the most one,
Yeah,
yeah.
and I don't think there's that many people trade the large caps in the pre-market. I think it's
No,
all,
and the buying power comes
yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
that too. You can trade it, but I don't see any. If you buy, okay, now you can buy 8 shares of Tesla, so with $3,000. Or how much is the buying power on the pre-market? So if Tesla is over 400 now, yeah, it's 410. But hope they get the payout thing to work as it should be. Did you read the Sims? But he wrote that the money is gone at some point. That can't be that.
Sorry, say that again.
When Sim wrote that if you make 5,000, then you have the 3,500 after the split, and win 3,500 more, and then lose, was it 3,500, and all your profit is gone and your account is gone. That can't be that. I think he's misunderstanding something. And the main issue for this is when they make the losses, they think that trader pool should pay these trades so as long they get to the credit point where they were before the losses. So
No,
they
I think previously. So basically, what's happening at the moment is previously when you scale up. So this is an issue for accounts that have scaled up. So
yeah
what was happening was you scale up and you carry over however much profit you carry over. Let's just say it's $1,000. for
Yeah.
ease of the maths. Previously, that $1,000 was A, available to withdraw after the 14 days, and B, wasn't subject to being split again. Those are the current issues.
Yeah. But they don't split that 1,000 again. If you
Uh,
have the 1,000 and get, say, if you lose 300 from the 1,000 and your balance is now 700, I think the team thinks that you can take profits to the 1,000 again, and after that you get the new split. They don't think that's the
No, no,
because
it used to be. It
yeah,
used to be, and we know this from, for example, Parker scaling up. There used to be
yeah,
that whatever you carried over, whether or not you were dipped into it, didn't really make any difference. If you carried over $1,000 and you dipped into it and got it back to $1,000, when you came to withdraw, that $1,000 was not going to be resplit because it was your post split amount anyway. It had already been split. That's the
oh
issue. That is the issue.
yeah, but
So
I
when you
have
scale up, they automatically close your account. They take their 30% and they put your
yeah,
70% in a new account, which is meant to be, it's already been split. So it
yeah,
should not be subject to resplitting.
yeah. I was thinking that it works that way if you get funded and say that three times the daily loss would be that 1,000 now. So that's your money, and Trader
No, no.
Pool gives you only the buying limit. And if you lose that 1,000, then it's gone. And if you go have a drawdown to 500 and make 100, and then you get the 100 minus the split, so you get only $70. So they take the split all over again.
No, because that's why the new accounts, they were giving you back your max loss because you shouldn't really be taking from your rolled over profits because they have already been split and the trader had no choice but to not withdraw them because it's an automatic process. But you don't get that max loss allowance back upon scaling anymore. So yeah, but that's a different issue which hasn't been talked about as much because of this resplitting of the profits. And some traders have said that, that it wasn't just a resplitting, that those profits were, once they had dipped into them, there was no option to withdraw them at all.
Oh, oh, that's bad.
Yeah. So it's been worked on anyway, but exactly what it is that the work really clear on, whether they're changing anything, but we're sort of waiting for clarification on that. But yeah, so anyway, Pare, keep those things in mind. If I was you, I would, when you get funded, I would withdraw before you hit the scaling target.
Yeah, that's. I think they will do something because this is so on the bad for the community, and they don't soon buy anything. So
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Because kind of enforcing things that haven't been announced, which,
yeah,
isn't going down well at all, as you can imagine.
yeah, that's bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all very unclear at the moment because, as you might have seen in funding discuss, or maybe not, I'm not sure, but different agents are saying different things. So who
Yeah,
knows? It is the answer at the
yeah,
moment. Yeah,
and there has not come Michael or any, or no one has come to clarify that, so they don't
yeah,
know
and
that either. So
we have asked for that to happen, but it's not happened.
Yeah, that could be a bad sign, because if that could be really the issue they are telling, and they are now finding that out.
Yeah, yeah.
I trust the TTP, but
Well, let's just hope that
now,
this is just one big misunderstanding, Pare, and
yeah,
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 don't worry about it. And hopefully there'll be some kind of news or update on that situation soon.
yeah,
But yeah, either way, that would be my advice when you get funded, which I'm sure isn't that far away. Uh, for now, don't let it scale.
yeah.
Yeah.
But even if I would be founded, I wouldn't take money off that often, because I don't kind of need that money. I would only take the small lot of money just to find out that I'm making money from this. That would be the only one, and I would probably let my money be in there and get the buffer on, so I don't have to worry about the drawdowns or something.
Ah,
Because
okay.
you have it's if your winning rate is about 40, so it's possible for you to have about, I think, 12 losses in a row. So you should really have the buffer to trade. I think I have some. Okay, if winning rate is 33, so you to have 30 max losses in a row is 19% in 50 trades. So so that's could happen uh, 2 times at 10 from 10, that you have 13 losses in a row. So you really have to have the buffer to play it. And even nine nine losses in a row could be nearly 67%. So having win rate this low as I have, so you need to have the buffer to trade.
Surely your risk to reward ratio is offsetting your win rate.
Yeah. That's my risk and reward is good, but the win rate is that you can't. Every time you take a trade, the probability it starts over again. So it's only about odds this game. So as we have spoken often, so that in the mathematical thing, so to have 10 losses in a row in 50 trades, that could happen about 53%. So, and that's why TTP is counting on this EV and this thing. They are letting the businesses, because of this, their odds to lose money with traders is so small, because most of us don't make money. I would guess that many will blow up the account if they have 10 losses in a row. And if you have 100 trades, then you have 81% that it will happen. And in 500 trades, so you will have 10 losses in a row. So you have to have the
Well, that was a sudden departure.
I having internet issues.
Oh, I did it old school.
Oh, there
Just
you
shut.
are.
I shut my laptop down the heading and I was going to the trading desk and was just talking. We will realize that this will end. Well, I will go to my desk. Good luck with your trades.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for popping in, Pare. Good to see you.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't taken any trades yet, Eddie. No, I am being very cautious with my $40.
Good.
I need taquito to give me a high probability trade.
I'm still in APVO. Yeah.
Oh, are you?
Down. Yeah. But it hasn't
Oh,
hit my stop loss. I was risking $100. So
let me
I'm
look.
still in it.
APVO. Ouch. Where did you get in?
275.
For a long?
Yeah.
Oh,
Got in at 836.
what? Um, I'm going to do a taquito here. What's at 275?
Nothing. It's just where I decided to get in.
Oh, okay. That's fair. Fair and
Yeah.
honest. I think maybe if I asked you that enough times, like taquito does, start to think like him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that it comes back up at least so I can break even. But if it looks like it's going back up, then I might just continue to hold.
So,
Hey, good morning,
Good morning.
hey, good
Val.
morning.
Good morning,
Thought
Eddie.
you were having a little snooze there. Thought, well, oh, what was it that you said? We'll start with our special intensive pre-market look at the overnight morning and morning action.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Joe, I'm telling.
Yeah, it's something else. I tell you, it seems like all the phone calls come in right at that time, and they're always important. And I'm like, I have to answer this now.
Yeah,
I
that
can't not answer this call
that
because it's
that
usually
that's
like a
how it works.
message.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. That's how it works. People phone me literally as I'm about to unmute my microphone when I'm teaching and say, "Hi, how are you?" to my student. And I'm like looking. Oh, the phone
Oh
call's coming
yeah,
in now. Really? Why is it coming in now?
yeah. So What do we have going on here?
Well,
Looks like
we're looking at you now, Joe, to call out some good trades for us. I have nearly lost my funded account, so I'm going to put
oh
all responsibility on you to call out a good trade. There you
oh
go.
gosh.
No, I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding.
Yeah, it's
You know,
okay.
I won't really put the responsibility on you. Well,
Yeah.
if you call something out and I'm green, that's my skill. If you call it out and I'm red, obviously that's your fault.
Yeah. That is how it is.
Yeah, yeah. It's the same with
Yeah.
teachers, isn't it? When your students do great, it's they're exceptional, and when they don't do well, it's I've got a crap teacher.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something else too. Oh gosh. And it all comes down to practice time.
Yeah, time in the
And
sea. Yeah, yeah.
yep. So yeah, so I don't know. I'm kind of looking around here at I mean, I see I'm just getting to this kind of the scanners, but FGI, but that was running I think last night. I finally started getting back into some kind of um s- you know little structure. Like it has been crazy the past couple weeks. um so I know I did a scan last night and was watching a little bit, and I wanted to start doing that some more. Turb, what's that one? Let's see.
$53 million contract to deploy solar storage capacity
Hmm,
across 10
looks like that.
factories.
um just kind of looking around here. APVO was earlier. Oh gosh. That looks like a short.
FGI was insane this morning.
FGI. Oh yeah. Oh,
Insane.
God dang. I pulled that up last night and was looking at it way too late. Let me see. After hours scanner.
I, I hit it right on the open at 4 o'clock.
FGI was that? No, it wasn't on my my personal scanner, but it was on Taquitos.
Oh, really?
I believe. I remember seeing FGI somewhere last night.
So
But
they were down like 9%. So it's just a bounce up. There's no news on it. It just bounced up like huge.
maybe that was maybe I had a different ticker that I was watching last night. Monday. Oh yeah, no,
All right,
yeah.
chat. Taking too many losses. I'm a little tilted. I don't want a revenge
Didn't even
trade.
watch that one.
So I'm going to call it here. And we'll see you tomorrow.
You weren't up with the Braves
That's
this morning?
Have a good one.